What's going on, it's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy A55. Also, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing for the Samsung Galaxy A55. So over here in the United Kingdom, it starts off at £289 and that'll get you 128GB of storage. There is also a 256GB storage option which will set you back £339. It's available in a range of different colours, from awesome ice blue, awesome navy, awesome lilac and awesome lemon. I think you'll understand once you see this smartphone as to why these colours are called awesome. But that's enough talking about the pricing. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with this smartphone. So as you can probably tell, I've chosen to go for the awesome lilac colour, and as we've seen with other smartphones and most tablet devices these days, there is a pull tab on the top and bottom of the box, and pulling away at these pull tabs and lifting the lid reveals the device sat atop. However, you will find yet another box contained in the lid of the original box, and within this you'll find a number of different items. The first of these items being your SIM card ejection tool. We also find our documentation, which includes a quick start guide along with some health and safety, regulatory and warranty information in a range of different languages. And then of course we have our USB-C to USB-C cable, which has an approximate length of around 1 meter. And then we have the Samsung Galaxy A55. So that'll be it for today's video. Of course, if you want to see any further videos on this smartphone, or if you'd like to see it tested, or if you'd like to see how its cameras perform, then be sure to subscribe, smacking the bell to be notified when any of my new videos go live. If you've got any questions, then be sure to hit me up over on my social media. I'll leave that link down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.